Everybody, so today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing information video for the Milwaukee's new, I don't think it's new, but it's the REDLITHIUM USB rechargeable pivoting flashlight kit. I believe it's 500 lumens and it is USB rechargeable pivoting flashlight. Yep. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so we're going to be unboxing this light real quick. It is the new 2113-21 REDLITHIUM USB rechargeable USB rechargeable pivoting flashlight kit, 500 lumens, spotlight and flood. It's really hefty in this package. True view, other LEDs, true view. So I'm not really sure how the true view works, but it's got to be a lot better than some. You know, let me know guys down below what you think of the true view, if you see a noticeable difference or not. I will also leave a link for Clint from Tool Review Zone, as well as a link to his video. He just recently did a video on most of these come with the rechargeable REDLITHIUM USB 2.5 amp hour battery. Milwaukee just released a 3 amp hour battery for 24 bucks. I'll leave his video on that if you guys want to check that out. Spot beam is 500 lumens for 2.5 hours and 155 meter beam distance. Flood high is 400 lumens for 3 hours, and flood low is 100 lumens for 10 hours. It's IP54, water and dust resistant, impact resistant, and chemical resistant. So let's cut this open real quick. Should be a pretty quick video, as long as it doesn't take me forever to get it out of the package. Easy peasy. Cable. Be alright for this one. I've been very impressed with these Harbor Freight cheap, like $5 snips. I use them to cut plastic all the time. They have serrated teeth on them. Kind of hard to see the light, but it worked very well. I also got this with the 100 lumen Milwaukee pen light as well, but that's going to be a separate video, just to make these videos short, not too long. Squeeze it out. There we go. It is really nice that it pivots. So that's the little LED. It's got a really strong magnet on the bottom, or set of magnets. I like that it's got the on off and then the modes. So I'm assuming this is the low. Oh, this is the spot beam. No. This is flood low, I would assume. Flood high. Okay, so this is spot beam. flood high, flood low. So the little LED is the flood, and the spot beam is the large LED. It is very heavy. I do like that it pivots. 110-degree pivoting head. It is very hefty. Looks like the clip pops off. Yep. Pops back on. It's a nice stiff clip. Oh, I did damage it a little when I was taking it out the package. That's alright. It's gonna get used and abused anyways. Can always buy another one. I'm not sure if the battery comes out of this one. It doesn't feel like it does. I would assume maybe the battery is just stationary in this model because the recharge clip is on the side. But all in all, it's a very nice light. Now, it comes with a charging cable and the information packet. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Please check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. They sell drones and cameras and a few other things. I appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate you stopping by, taking the time to check out the video. Hope you guys had a good day, and I appreciate you guys being subscribers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!
Yeah.